Getting into culinary school typically involves several steps. Number 1. Research. Start by researching different culinary schools to find the ones that best suit your needs, preferences, and career goals. Consider factors such as location, program offerings, faculty expertise, accreditation, and cost. 2. Meet admission requirements. Each culinary school will have its own set of administration requirements. These may include a high school diploma or equivalent, such as a GED, letters of recommendation, standardized test scores, such as an SAT or ACT, and possibly a personal statement or essay. 3. Gain experience. While not always required, having some prior experience in the culinary field can strengthen your application. Consider working or volunteering in a restaurant, bakery, catering company, or other food-related establishment to gain practical experience and demonstrate your commitment to the field. 4. Application. Once you've identified the culinary schools you're interested in and ensured you meet their administration requirements, you'll need to submit an application. This typically involves completing an online application form and providing any required documentation, such as transcripts and letters of recommendation. 5. Interview. If required. Some culinary schools may require applicants to participate in an interview as part of the admissions process. Prepare for the interview by researching the school, practicing common interview questions, and demonstrating your passion for and knowledge of the culinary arts. 6. Financial aid. If you need financial assistance to pay for tuition and other expenses, explore your options for financial aid, including scholarships, grants, loans, and work-study programs. Be sure to submit any required financial aid forms by the specified deadlines. 7. Wait for admission decision. After submitting your application and any required materials, you'll need to wait for the culinary school to review your application and make an admission decision. This process can take several weeks to several months depending on the school and the time of year. 8. Acceptance and enrollment. If you're accepted to one or more culinary schools, carefully review your acceptance letters and any financial aid offers. Once you've made your decision, notify the school of your intent to enroll and follow any instructions provided to secure your spot in the program. 9. Prepare for classes. Before starting classes, you may need to complete any additional requirements or preparations specified by the culinary school, such as attending orientation sessions, purchasing required textbooks or supplies, and completing any necessary paperwork. By following these steps and staying organized throughout the application process, you can increase your chances of getting into the culinary school of your choice.